on the hosting side of things, or the cloud, we start at the very basic. We have this whole continuum of products. The first one is shared hosting. This product is running inside of our cloud. It is website, email hosting, 138 different applications. We use cPanel. It's running on top of our VMware environment. So we have a VMware set of servers running cPanel. Customers come in, they're able to buy a very low and inexpensive package, host their websites, host their email, and when they do that, a lot of money. You don't get guaranteed resources, but we try to guarantee those resources as best as we can between the customers, but it is shared. This is the very basic. This gets as low as sub $5 somewhere. So this is less than $5 per month. The next step up is our open VZ hosting. Again, these are all direct to customer products. Salesforce is not engaged. The open VZ is a container-based virtualization product. We can help the customer more than we can the VM. It's not bare metal. We can get in, reset passwords, help a customer. But for the customer wanting the absolute amount of privacy, this is not the way to go. For the customer looking for the least expensive virtual private server option, this is the way to go. So we have a very low-end product all the way up to 4 gig. So it fits a wide variety of customers. Then I would get up into what I like to call the turbocharged VPSs. These are VMware based. It's bare metal, true resource reservation, and a whole bunch of other features that are really truly enterprise grade. This is where we start. This and the dedicated servers is where we start blending us selling directly to the consumer and us selling with our direct sales channel. The next piece of that would be co-location, which is totally self-directed by the customer. When we get into the enterprise cloud, this is allowing us to take pieces of each of these different products and blend them together with an additional managed security, managed firewall, managed load balancers, you name it. All of those pieces, plus any of these other pieces, how we amalgamate into the enterprise cloud. That and our transport products, our internet products, and in some instances, even our voice products get brought into bear on those high-end, high-touch enterprise deals. And by enterprise, we can go anywhere from the small to medium business, 20 to 30 users, all the way up to a multinational corporation. It doesn't have to be a complete, everything moves up into the cloud or everything stays out of the cloud. It can be pieces, certain applications, storage as a service, infrastructure as a service. So that's kind of the variety. So when we're positioning from a company to the customer, we want to focus on these pieces. We're focusing on the dollars, focusing on the speed, we're focusing on the flexibility. How do I save you money, give you more features, more resiliency for less dollars? That's really the value proposition. We kind of have the golden egg, as it were, in that we really kind of touch on whatever the pain point is. You need to spend less, you need to get more capacity, you need to do it with more resiliency. We can kind of touch on each one of those types of options.